Did you know that Namibia was the first country in the world to include environment protection in its constitution? Indeed, this southern African nation has a unique environmental focus. It's a place where magnificent landscapes meet rich wildlife, and where tradition intertwines with modernity. Today, we're embarking on an exciting countdown journey, exploring the top 10 must-visit places in this extraordinary country. So buckle up, folks. Now, let's dive into the top 10 must-visit places in this unique country. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the Caprivi Strip. A slender panhandle stretching east from Namibia, the Caprivi Strip offers a unique geography of wetlands in an otherwise arid country. It's a haven for wildlife, with elephants and hippos making regular appearances. But the Caprivi isn't just about the animals. Its cultural heritage is rich, with the Mbukushu and the Hambukushu tribes calling this place home. It's an intriguing blend of nature and culture, a perfect start to our Namibian adventure. Next up, at number 9, we find ourselves in the coastal town of Luderitz. A place where time seems to have stood still, Luderitz boasts a unique blend of German colonial architecture that paints a vivid picture of its rich past. Here, wild horses roam free, adding to the charm of this quaint town. But the true gem of Luderitz is the ghost town of Kolmanskop, a silent witness to the rise and fall of diamond fever. A town where history meets natural beauty. At number 8 is the breathtaking Fish River Canyon. This marvel of nature boasts an impressive network of hiking trails that wind through its vast expanse. As you traverse these paths, you're treated to stunning views that stretch as far as the eye can see. And did you know? This canyon is the second largest in the world, dwarfed only by the Grand Canyon. Its sheer size and beauty make it a jewel in Namibia's crown, a must-visit for any hiking enthusiast. Coming in at number 7 is the expansive Kalahari Desert. Don't let the desert part fool you. The Kalahari is a marvel of nature, teeming with an array of wildlife that has adapted to its harsh conditions. From the regal oryx to the sprightly meerkat, the Kalahari is a testament to nature's tenacity. And let's not forget the San people, indigenous inhabitants whose rich culture and profound connection to the land stand as a testament to human resilience. A desert that's teeming with life. At number 6, we visit the ancient site of Twyfelfontein. This place, steeped in history, is home to one of the largest concentrations of rock petroglyphs in Africa. These ancient engravings, a testament to the early life of the Damara people, are so significant that UNESCO declared Twyfelfontein a World Heritage Site. The rock faces tell stories of wildlife, hunting scenes, and shamanistic rituals, creating a tangible link between the present and the past. A window into the past. Halfway through our countdown, at number 5, we have Walvis Bay. This coastal gem is renowned for its pink flamingo colonies that paint the landscape with their vibrant hues. The vast salt pans glisten under the African sun, creating an otherworldly spectacle. But Walvis Bay isn't just for the laid-back traveler. Thrill seekers will find their adrenaline fix with outdoor activities like sandboarding down the towering dunes or quad biking across the rugged terrain. Walvis Bay truly is a place where fun meets natural beauty. Next up, at number 4, is the coastal city of Swakopmund, a delightful blend of Namibian culture and German colonial architecture. It's a visual treat with a twist of history. The city's beaches are a haven for sunseekers, while the brave at heart can indulge in adrenaline-pumping activities. From skydiving over the Namib Desert to dune bashing on the outskirts, Swakopmund serves up excitement by the bucket load. It's a city that lets you lounge in leisure one moment and leap into action the next, a city that offers both relaxation and thrill. At number 3, we have the eerie yet fascinating Skeleton Coast. This stark stretch of the Namibian coast gets its chilling name from the numerous shipwrecks that litter its sandy shores. But it's not all doom and gloom. The coast is also home to bustling seal colonies that add a spark of life to the desolate landscape. The haunting beauty of the Skeleton Coast, with its foggy mornings and endless horizons, makes it a place that's as mysterious as it is beautiful. Almost at the top, at number 2, we find the wildlife paradise of Etosha National Park. This gem of Namibia is home to a diverse range of animals, from majestic lions to playful zebras. Its vast salt pan, a sight to behold, stretches as far as the eye can see. The park's unique offering, a night safari, gives a thrilling glimpse into the nocturnal life of its inhabitants, making for a truly unforgettable experience. Etosha National Park is, without a doubt, a true paradise for wildlife lovers. And finally, at number 1, we have the spectacular Namib Desert and Sossusvlei. This stunning landscape offers some of the highest sand dunes in the world, creating a sea of golden waves that stretch as far as the eye can see. These dunes, constantly shaped and reshaped by the wind, are an ever-changing masterpiece of nature. In the heart of the desert lies Twyfelfontein, a white clay pan, contrasted with the dark, dead camel thorn trees that have stood there for hundreds of years. It's a hauntingly beautiful sight, a testament to life and death in the harshest of environments. Imagine soaring above this incredible landscape in a hot air balloon, the desert sprawling beneath you in a breathtaking panorama. The early morning light paints the dunes in hues of red and orange, creating a spectacle that's truly out of this world. The Namib Desert and Sossusvlei, a place that's as captivating as it is vast. And there you have it, the top 10 must-visit places in Namibia. From the lush wilderness of the Caprivi Strip to the haunting beauty of the Skeleton Coast, each destination offers a unique insight into the country's diverse landscapes. The vibrant coastal towns of Luderitz and Swakopmund embody Namibia's rich history. The Fish River Canyon, and the Kalahari Desert, on the other hand, showcase the country's natural beauty. The rock at Twyfelfontein and the incredible biodiversity of the Etosha National Park highlight Namibia's commitment to preserving its cultural and natural heritage. And of course, the crown jewel, the Namib Desert and Sossusvlei, is a testament to the country's unparalleled desert landscapes. But what makes Namibia truly unique is not just the diversity of its landscapes or the richness of its history. It's the country's commitment to environmental protection, being the first African country to include environment protection in its constitution. Namibia, a country that truly has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this journey through and want to explore more amazing destinations, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to Travel Channel. Also, remember to click on the bell icon so you never miss out adventures. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through Namibia and want to discover more amazing, don't forget to subscribe to my travel channel. See you in the next adventure.